The reason why carrot puree is the best food for every babies. Hello sweetie, welcome back to Lady B Kitchen. On today's video, I will be sharing with you one of the benefits you are going to have after feeding your babies with carrot puree. And why carrot puree is the best food you can always give your baby. After watching this video, you have to get all known. One of the benefits. Carrot puree helps babies for constipation. The meaning of constipation, guys, it will make your babies to go to number 2, which is toilet. So if your baby is finding it difficult to go to toilet, so after feeding your babies with carrot puree, this will enable your baby to go toilet flow and nice. It will not have anything that will disturb him or her. It made their toilet to look easy for them. Number 2, it helps them to grow healthy skin. In some case, someone will come across your kids, will be asking you, my sister, what is the cream are you using for your babies? You are not using any cream apart from the body lotion of babies. But when someone sees their skin, it will look so different, more beautiful and more shiny. So that is the benefit of you feeding your babies with carrot puree. Today we are making carrot puree and chickpea. So these both ingredients are just the best food for babies. Making carrot and chickpea is one of the best food you're supposed to feed your baby on. One of the benefits of you making this for them is make them to have a very beautiful sleep. After making this food for them, if your baby are finding it difficult to sleep, trust me, they will sleep all through the day if you want. You will be the one that will just go to bed and wake them up because it made them to feel relaxed and live comfortable all through. We have a lot of benefits of this carrot puree, so I bring some of it for you to know that making carrot puree for your baby is just the best. It helps them in every occasion. These 2 ingredients I use on this recipe is just the best food you can always get in any available supermarket. It's just 2 ingredients and the 2 is just the best. I'm still going to leave the names in my description box and in my comment section. When you get chickpea from supermarket, first of all, you parboil the chickpea for 1 minute. 1 minute later, you have to bring it down from the heat, then wash it with cold water. Washing it with cold water will enable you to get rid of the skin. Getting rid of the skin is very simple. You get rid of it the same way you are getting rid of the beans you are going to use to do moi moi. Just wash it like that. Take it back inside a cooking pot. Then cook with anything you think is okay for you. Something like carrot is very good. Add in the carrot. Just like that, you are going to get this puree done. It's just a simple and the best food for every babies. For you not to miss all the benefits you have from this video, please, you have to share this post. Even if you don't need it now, you might need it tomorrow. Share so that you can always come across it anytime you are ready to put this benefit in practice because it's just the best. See you in my next one. Bye.